Hello everyone, this is Deepak, and in today's video I will be talking about a very famous personality called Noam Chomsky. You must have heard the name Noam Chomsky if you are preparing for CTET, STET or any other teaching examinations, because there is hardly any teaching examinations in which 2 or 3 questions are not asked from Noam Chomsky or from his theory called language and thoughts. So in this video of mine, I will be analyzing, I will be unlocking all different aspects of language and thoughts, and what was the perception, what was the opinion of Noam Chomsky in this regards. Thank you. So let us start. See friends, as I told you, we will be talking about Noam Chomsky. So Noam Chomsky, he is also constructivist who says children can acquire any language naturally. Children are having an innate capacity, which is capable of gathering any new languages in that atmosphere or in that aura where he or she is residing or living, right. So, we will understand almost everything about Noam Chomsky. So, be with me and let us concentrate. So, see friends, now first point that I would like to, Noam Chomsky, one of the finest children psychologists of modern times. He was born in America and wrote many books, many journals, many stories, novels, and everything whatever he was written. All of his works are concentrated to only one point, and that is children's psychology. His effort was to unlock all the possible things that may happen that is there in the minds or in the brain of a child, and to larger extent he got success, and this is why he given the theory language and thoughts kind of theory. This is what prescribed in our syllabus of STET and CTET. So, the first thing that he says, children naturally acquire language, very important. He says children acquire any languages naturally, not because they are taught, not because they must be taught and only then he can acquire, simply because children have an innate capacity of acquiring any languages, which is called LAD. LAD means language acquisition device. Language acquisition device, it is there, pre-installed in the brain of a child, and with the help of LAD, children are capable of acquiring any new languages without any mentorship, without any guidance. Just put the children in a particular atmosphere or in an aura where the specific or particular language is being spoken by a group of people. And after 6 or 7 months, if you go and ask children, did he learn the language, just communicate with him, you will find the children has learned the language very beautifully. So, very important, try to understand. So, first point says, children naturally acquire new languages through its an innate capacity, that I have already told you. Innate capacity means pre-installed capacity, which is there in the form of LAD. Innate, very important, innate, I-double-N-A-T, innate. Innate capacity means a capacity which is already there in the mind or the brain of a child at the time of birth. जन्म से जो चीज हमारे पास हो, that is called innate capacity. This is called innate capacity which is already there. We have to just use it, we have to just utilize it, and through this innate capacity we can acquire any languages, right. Second thing, to him, neurological system supports a language acquisition device called in human brain. According to him, he also gone through neurological science, and in that he saw there is a device pre-installed in the brain or the mind of children which is called LAD, and this LAD supports language gathering capacity in children, right. Next, all human beings have a universal grammar, very important. Doesn't matter you know grammar or not, but this is also innate capacity to generate new grammatical rules, which is called UG. UG. This question is very famous, you know, almost all teaching examination this is asked many times. So according to whom? UG, universal grammar, is already there in the minds or in the brain of children. So according to Noam Chomsky, UG is already there, and through UG children are capable of filtering, children are capable of figuring out the grammar, the basic grammar rules. I am not saying any advanced grammar rules, basic grammar rules which are required to speak any languages effortlessly or to speak conveniently, right. Noam Chomsky is called nativist. He is called nativist, very important. He is called nativist. So what does nativist means? Nativist is a man who thinks that children are, you know, knowledge constructed. They have power to learn any language effortlessly. They have power to learn any language without any mentorship. So a man who believes in such ideology is called nativist. Okay. A nativist is also a man who believes in the theory of Noam Chomsky called LED kind of device. A man who believes that children are having, you know, LED in his brain, that man is also called nativist. LED, language acquisition device. You know that human brain, for example, this is human brain, and this human brain is divided into two parts, right? This is called left and right. So if I ask you where LED exists, so LED exists in right brain, right? LED. So all language kind of stuffs are stored in left brain, and LED is also installed in left brain. Right brain is known for creativity, right? Creativity. So creativity is installed, or it is there in right brain, and languages is there in left brain. Okay. So I hope this video would prove vital for every one of you, and thank you very much for today. We'll be coming up with new and next videos like this. Thank you.